Scientists are one step closer to creating designer babies after they precisely edited human embryo genes for the first time. Dr. Dieter Eagly at Columbia University, that's a funny name, sorry, was reportedly able to replace individual genetic letters and sequences of DNA. But the edits were still not perfect. Sometimes the base editing molecules fail to find their target DNA. So you're saying that if we're gonna have a retarded baby, we could just make it not retarded in the first place? What other things can we do? That sounds awesome.
Well, the world is one step closer to creating designer babies with a world-first experiment altering the genes of embryos.
That sounds awesome.
Scientists at Columbia University have used a method called base editing, which chemically alters one letter in the DNA sequence.
Okay.
They were able to successfully edit 2 genes in a human embryo, removing mutations that, if developed, would have put a human at risk of heart disease.
Oh, nice.
While previously, clinics have offered to screen for certain genetic traits.
Like
this
retardation.
marks the first known instance of using base editing to alter an embryo once it's been created. These embryos have not been implanted to lead to a pregnancy, but researchers say it is now possible to produce a child from genetically altered embryos.
Let's do this!
It's a controversial proposal and it's had ethicists worried for years.
Fuck them!
On one hand, it may allow mutations that could cause disease to be removed from embryos, reducing the risk of future illnesses.
Yeah, why would we want to get in the way of that?
On the other, it opens the door to eugenics by offering potential parents the ability to select traits such as hair or eye colour, even intelligence and athletic ability.
That sounds fucking awesome.
These edits are not always perfect, and even when they do work, they may lead to unforeseen medical complications further down the line.
Well, how else are we supposed to figure things out? I say send it, bro. Yeah, okay, we'll have a bunch of fucked up babies at first, but we'll learn from it, you know? We'll make better babies afterwards. But yeah, you could change their hair color, eye color. Yo, if I have a baby, I'm gonna make sure my baby grows up with a big dick. I'm always gonna remind my kid, don't say I never did anything for you. I'll hold the piece of paper saying, hey, look, see right here? I made sure you have a big dick.